The standard installation of gCADPlus puts a gCADPlus folder in your username under Documents, and there we are. It also creates automatically for you a jobs folder. We recommend that you follow the system where each year we would open or start a new folder, and then here I have Angus W and Redleaf Landscaping. So in Angus W, all of the jobs that he's working on are in their own folder under 2023. The beauty of this system is that it allows you to use Windows Backup just to back up that jobs folder, and I'd like to show you how that's done now. We need to activate the control panel. You can find that by just going to the search function, then pick System and Security, pick Backup and Restore, the Windows 7 option. Even though I'm using Windows 11 here, that old Windows 7 tool works very well for this purpose. And what we're going to do, we've activated it, but we'll just change some settings. The backup starts, and we bought an external USB drive of quite large capacity, and it's a little wizard that runs through, and that's where we're going to put the backup information. We want to choose libraries and folders and whatever we're going to back up. Now, we're not interested in other programs we've got on the C drive or even the exe for gCADPlus. What we are interested in doing is find our user and then Documents and then gCADPlus. That's what we want to back up. We could drive down further and say, well, we could always reinstall it, so we don't need all that. But what we do need is the jobs folder. That's the one where our gCADPlus drawings are being stored. What we want to do is have it backed up, and to do that on a regular basis, we'll set the time at, say, 6 o'clock at night every day. So all the work we do during a day is saved. What this gives us is the ability to uncover earlier versions of the file. It stores things every day, but just stores, in a sense, a fresh copy, but just the changes. It stores the original and then any changes. So you can peel back and go back through earlier work, and that can be very, very helpful. I don't think you need to include a system image of the drives as long as you do that once. So we can now save settings and exit, and we can then at any stage, using our ordinary Windows Explorer, we can say we'll go back into 2023 into Redleaf, into one called James Way, and we can right-click on this and say Show More Options and Restore Previous Versions. And it says I'm working on it, but it's got a version at 7:38 this morning and a version at 11:42. But this will grow and grow and grow as this system works, and each day will be an update. So we'll be able to go back through historical versions of whatever we do to this particular drawing. And if we need to activate them, we can. And just imagine that for some reason, say your hard disk failed on your machine, it might well corrupt files. You can get at earlier versions of the files which are not corrupt using this system. So I highly recommend it.